Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to make this beautiful headband. It is very simple. So I've only used single crochets and chains to make it, and I love it. I have 3 of them now, and it takes about 1 hour to make, and I think it's perfect. It's beautiful, and I think, yeah, you can wear it anytime you want. So yeah, let's get started and make yourself a nice headband. So this is an eyelet crochet stitch. It is a 4-row repeat. It is super simple. There is only single crochets and chains in this stitch. I'm going to show you each row, how to begin the row and how to end the row. So at the middle of the here you don't have to do anything differently. So yeah, this is really simple and I think it looks very pretty, and especially like autumn colors, I think it's perfect for that. So yeah, let's get started. Here I'm using sport weight yarn. This is Hobby Cotton 86, and with this I'm using 4mm hook. You also need darning needle and scissors. Yeah, honestly, you can use whatever yarn. You have to measure it to get it to your size, so it doesn't matter what yarn you're using, but I think sport weight yarn is perfect for this project. So this pattern is multiple of 4s plus 2. So the chain what you're going to make, it needs to be multiple of 4s. I am going to make 68, and whatever yarn you use, you can check the size you want. I'm gonna show you how I'm going to measure it to see. That's what the size I like it to be. So yeah, let's start by slip stitching across and grab the yarn here. So I'm going to chain 68. So I have my chain 68 here, and that's what I like. So I am going to put it here, and the chain reaches like behind my ears a little bit, but again you can change the size of the chain, but this is what works for me, right behind the ears, and for me it was 68 stitches. So let's keep going. So chain 68, and now I'm gonna make the plus 2 here. So into the second chain here, this is first, second, make a single crochet, now chain 3, skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and into the fourth one make a single crochet like that. Again, chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and into the fourth one make a single crochet, and do that until you get to the end of your chain. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, single crochet into the fourth stitch. So I'm at my end here, 1 2 3, and fourth stitch, make a single crochet, and chain 1, and turn your work. So here we're gonna skip this stitch, and into the chain 3 space make 5 single crochets. Now we're gonna skip the stitch and make 5 single crochets into the chain 3 space again. So this is what we're gonna do until the end of the row. All the chain 3 spaces make 5 single crochets. Just skip those single crochet spaces and just 5 single crochets into each space. So end of row 2, make 4 single crochets into the chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and into the last stitch here make a single crochet, the very last one. Here, so this was our end of row 2. Now chain 3 and turn your work. So here, beginning of the row 3, we're gonna skip this stitch, we're gonna skip this stitch, and we're gonna single crochet into the 3rd stitch here. And now chain 3, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet. Again, chain 3, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet, and do that until the end of the row. One more time, chain 3, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet. So now I have the end of row 3, I have 2 stitches left. I'm going to chain 2, skip next one, and single crochet into the last stitch. And this is our end of row 3. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Into the chain 2 space, make 3 single crochets into the chain 2 space. Like that. And now into every space make 5 single crochets. Just skip those chain 1 single crochet spaces. Skip and 5 single crochets into this space, and do that until you get to the end of the row. So at the end of the row 4, 2 single crochets into the space here. 1, 2. Now it's maybe a little tricky, but try to find the chain 3 here. Honestly, it doesn't matter if you get to the right chain, but try to make a single crochet into the chain, like last chain 3 here. Just make a single crochet here. That's it. This is our end of row 4. Now chain 1 and turn your work, and we're gonna start our 5th row. Here we're gonna do a single crochet into the 1st stitch here, chain 3, and skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet. Again, chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet, and do that until you get to the end of the row here. One more time, chain 3, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and into the 5th stitch make a single crochet. So end of row 5, chain 3, 1 2 3 4, and 5th stitch make a single crochet, and this is our row 5. And now we're gonna repeat rows 2 till 5. Since it's 4 row repeat, you just have to repeat rows 2 until 5, but I'm gonna show you still how I'm doing the beginning and ending. Chain 1, and we're gonna start our row 6. You're gonna skip this and do 5 single crochets into the space. 1 3 4 5, and into each chain space make 5 single crochets. Just skip those single crochet stitches here. So end of row 6, last chain space, make 4 single crochets, and single crochet into the last stitch, and chain 3, and doing your work. Now we're gonna do row 7, skip this one, skip this one, and single crochet into the 3rd stitch here, chain 3, skip 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, and single crochet into the 5th stitch. Again, chain 3, skip 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, and single crochet into the 5th stitch. Chain 3 again, 1 2 3 4, and single crochet into the 5th, and do that until you get to the end of the row. So I have 2 stitches left here, chain 2, and single crochet into the last stitch here, chain 1, and join your work. This is our last row, it will be row 8. So into the 1st space make 3 single crochets, and now into each space make 5 single crochets. Skip this stitch and just keep going 5 single crochets into each chain space. So last chain space here, make 2 single crochets, and just try to make 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain. It doesn't really matter where you make it, just try to make 1 single crochet. And this was row 8, and if you want to make it bigger you can make it bigger, but I think this is perfect for me. And now I'm gonna make the dies here. So on this side we're gonna make 5 stitches here. So first we're gonna do 2 stitches together, so go in here, pull up a loop, and go right next to it, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2 3 loops. This is our first stitch. Now go here, second one, 3, go like here, 4, and now we're gonna do 2 stitches together. I'm gonna go like right here, pull up a loop, and right here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, chain 1, turn your work. I'm gonna do these 2 stitches together, so yeah, pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, single crochet next one, and we're gonna do these 2 stitches together, so pull up a loop and go into the last one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, chain 1, and now we're gonna do 3 stitches together, so go into the stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up a loop, and go into the last stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3, 4 loops, and now it depends how long you want. I chained 80, so chain 80 or desired length, and then I'll meet you back. I have here my chain 80, and now just slip stitch all the way back to the beginning. So when you get back to the beginning, just slip stitch. You can slip stitch wherever, and you can cut your yarn over, pull it through, and one dies ready. And the second one here, take your yarn and pull it through here, tie a knot, so pull up a loop, go into the space for the next one here, pull up a loop, and pull up one more loop, pull 2, 3 loops, gonna single crochet here, 2, gonna go right here, 3, I'm gonna go here, 4, and we're gonna do 2 stitches together, so go here, pull up a loop, and just gonna go the space here, pull up a loop, and pull 2, 3 loops. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, chain 1, turn your work, you're gonna do 2 stitches together, pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, single crochet into the next stitch, and you're gonna take these 2 stitches together, so pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, chain 1, and let's do these 3 stitches together, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, 4 loops, yarn over, pull 2, 3 loops, 4 loops, and now again chain 80 and single crochet back, and your die is ready. So do exactly like you did here. So at the end of the second die, just gonna slip stitch. It doesn't really matter again where you slip stitch it. Just gonna do it here. You can cut your yarn and pull it through, and your headband is ready, and it is super beautiful. I love how this came out. Yeah, it is perfect one-day project and super pretty, and I think it's perfect for autumn, these colors at least. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye.